Hey, Easy, how are you doing? All righty. Looks like we've got a few more folks hopping in, so we'll get started. It is 7 o'clock, so let's get started with our 2020-21 Panini Black Basketball Random Player One Box Break number 4. Now, I know there's quite a few folks that are in this break that have not broken with us before, so if you happen to be watching with us in the live stream and you have any questions or anything, please put those in the chat and I will answer them as soon as possible. All right, just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times, and then we'll match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got James Adam 97 in the top spot and John T.I. 3034 in the bottom spot. So again, we will cut and paste that against our alphabetical player list from the product. So now I'm going to take this combined list and I'm going to cut and paste it over to the right, and I'm going to sort it in alphabetical order by everyone's eBay IDs, and then we'll briefly scroll through that list so everyone can see which players they have in the break, and then we'll tear into our box and see what we get. Alrighty, now that we have been through our list, let's open up our box and see what we get. Gosh, that was a terrible cut. There's our pack. Got a nice Tyrese Maxey there on the back. Got a couple nice rookies on the front. And our first card is Alec Polskuyevsky. And that is serial numbered 8 of 25. 8 of 25. Kind of tough to see the serial number with the crazy foil pattern. And that would be the Diamond Awe parallel. Doom, if you rewind the video maybe about 2 or 3 minutes, you'll see where we're scrolling through the list. I've got a list that's sorted in alphabetical order by everyone's eBay IDs, and you'll be able to see who you have. And then our next card is a Tyrese Maxey rookie, and that is serial numbered 48 of 49. 48 of 49, and that is the Rainbow Spokes parallel. And then our next card is a Chris Paul base card. It's serial numbered 139 of 149. You can see the serial number right there. And then our last base card is a Jaden McDaniels rookie, and that's serial numbered 29 of 149. And then our last card in the box is a Skylar Mays double patch autograph rookie card, and that is serial numbered 14 of 15. Nice triple color patch swatches on that one. And there is the serial number, 14 of 15. It's kind of hard to see right there. It's right by the autograph. Nice little hit for the May spot. Alrighty, so now that we've been through all of our cards, let's go back to our list and see who got which ones. Let me pull up the list here on the screen. There we go. So we'll go through our base cards first. Our first one is Chris Paul, serial numbered to 149. And that goes to Jaga 5690. Congrats on that. And then next is our Jaden McDaniels rookie, also serial number to 149. And that goes to Tets 4517. Congrats on that. And then next we'll go to our two parallels. Our first one is Alec Poskieski, and that is a Diamond All parallel, serial numbered 8 of 25. And that goes to McKay 5592. Congrats on that. And then next is our Tyrese Maxey Rainbow Spokes rookie parallel, serial number to 49. Oop. And that goes to C23S25. Congrats on that. And then lastly is our Skylar Mays dual patch rookie autograph, serial numbered 14 of 15. And that goes to Dumpster Sales 20. Congrats on that. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 2021 Panini Black Basketball Random Player One Box Break number 4. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everyone that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back in a few minutes with our 21 Mosaic Football Random Team 4 Mega Box Break number 1. Thanks again, everybody.